Savaşçı Episode 3, Between Duty, Loyalty, and Revenge. Halek Hossain. Meta description, by Halek Hossain. Watch Savaşçı Episode 3 recap in English. Captain Kağan faces an impossible choice between saving his friend Serdar and confronting his father's killer. Read the full review of the Turkish military drama Savaşçı. Savaşçı Episode 3, A Battle Between Duty and Vengeance. The hit Turkish TV series Savaşçı, The Warrior, continues to captivate fans with its blend of military action, brotherhood, and emotional storytelling. Episode 3 takes the drama to new heights, focusing on themes of loyalty, sacrifice, and the painful cost of revenge. Kağan's dilemma. At the center of the episode is Captain Kağan, a soldier torn between two powerful emotions. As he finally gets close to his comrade, First Lieutenant Serdar, he is forced to make a heartbreaking decision. Save his friend's life, or face the man responsible for his father's death. This impossible choice highlights Kağan's internal struggle between personal vengeance and his duty as a commander. Kopuz Colonel on edge. Back at headquarters, Colonel Kopuz watches events unfold with growing concern. Every move Kağan makes could change the fate of the mission. His leadership is tested as he guides the KL team while awaiting Kağan's decision. Tepegöz strikes again. Just when the tension reaches its peak, Tepegöz, the ruthless enemy, makes another shocking move. His unexpected attack throws the team into chaos and forces them into a dangerous race against time. Brotherhood of the KL team. Despite the challenges, the KL team shows the true meaning of unity and sacrifice. Fighting against traps, betrayal, and death itself, they demonstrate that brotherhood and hope can stand against even the darkest forces. Why Episode 3 stands out. Emotional depth. Kağan's struggle is one of the most intense moments of the series so far. Action-packed, the episode balances emotional storytelling with breathtaking battle sequences. Universal themes, sacrifice, loyalty, and the fight between hope and despair resonate deeply with viewers. The Turkish military drama Savaşçı, The Warrior, continues to grip audiences with its emotional depth and action-packed storyline. Episode 3 stands out as a pivotal chapter, where characters are forced to face difficult choices that test their loyalty, humanity, and sense of justice. Kağan's impossible choice. The heart of this episode revolves around Captain Kağan, a soldier who finds himself caught between two worlds, personal vengeance and his duty as a leader. As he gets closer to his comrade, First Lieutenant Serdar, Kağan faces his toughest decision yet. Will he save his friend's life, or will he seize the long-awaited opportunity to confront his father's killer? This moral crossroads adds tension not only to Kağan's storyline but also to the fate of the entire KL team. The weight of his decision symbolizes the constant struggle between personal emotions and military duty. Tension at headquarters. While Kağan wrestles with his inner conflict, Colonel Kopuz and the rest of the command center remain on edge. Every move is watched closely, and every choice carries heavy consequences. The colonel's leadership is tested as he tries to hold the team together while waiting for Kağan's critical move. The shadow of Tepegöz. Just as the tension reaches its peak, an unexpected twist comes from Tepegöz, a formidable adversary whose actions change the course of events. His cunning moves once again disrupt the team's plans and push them into a race against time. The KL team struggle. The KL team embodies the spirit of brotherhood and sacrifice. Once more, they are drawn into a breathtaking battle against traps, betrayal, and the ever-present shadow of death. Their fight is not only physical but also symbolic, a struggle between despair and the hope that refuses to die. Themes of the episode. Episode 3 highlights the recurring themes that make Savaşçı so powerful. Duty vs. Emotion. Kağan's dilemma is a reflection of every soldier's inner war. Brotherhood. The unity of the KL team emphasizes trust and loyalty under fire. Hope vs. Despair. The series consistently contrasts death's shadow with the resilience of those who choose life. Conclusion. Savaşçı Episode 3 is a masterclass in storytelling. With its mix of action, moral struggle, and emotional depth, it keeps viewers glued to the screen. The episode leaves us questioning, in a world filled with betrayal and ambushes, Who will ultimately triumph, death or the undying hope of those who fight to protect life? Suggested SEO tags for my audience. Halek Hossain. Savaş Episode 3 Recap. Savaş Turkish Series English Review. Turkish Drama Military TV Series. Savaş Kağan and Serdar Story. Savaş Tepegöz Enemy. Turkish Series Brotherhood and Sacrifice. Those who have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, and thank you very much to those who have subscribed.